What's going on, everybody? So this needs to get out. People need to know that things are going on in our people picking process. Nefarious things happen. Allegedly, can't. We're still working towards that goal. But you got former Wisconsin Supreme Court justice is seeking to jail Mayor of Madison and others if they don't comply with his subpoenas. Former Justice Gableman was asked to perform an investigation of the 2020 selection things that had to do with people picking processes. We initially thought it was unlikely whether he had the skill set or resources to check all the different papers that were used and also the machines that were needed to check these papers. Okay, so but former Justice Gableman does have knowledge of the law and has subpoena power, which he has used. Now, the problem is that Democrats involved in the 2020 process in Wisconsin, where we picked our leaders, they are ignoring his subpoenas. Okay, the former state Supreme Court justice investigating all this is seeking to jail the mayor of Madison and other elected officials if they don't comply with his subpoenas. The petition Michael Gableman filled in Waukesha County Friday names Madison Mayor Satya Rhodes Conway, Madison City Clerk Maribeth Witzel Beal, I'm sorry, butchering it up, Wisconsin Elections Commission's Chair Ann Jacobs, and the mayor of Green Bay and Racine County and other city officials. Spitzer needs to go. Spitzer is awful. There are so many issues with 2020 processes in Wisconsin. The legality of the boxes that they were used to put the papers in, from the private individuals outside the 145,000 papers that were dropped for Biden early in the morning of the day after the process. Millions of the individuals and their voter rolls can live in the state, and millions of individuals in their voter rolls that then live in the state means that there's a lot more people than what was actually accounted for in that. So a little quick article, I'll link it in the description. Check it out. Things are going on. Lots of love. Guys in control.